In half a mile, turn left.
And then turn left a half a mile. Finally, we arrive at Buffalo Bill Lake. I wonder if Comanche Bill will like it. Well, we just turned here on Buffalo Bill Lake. It has a nice fishing dock nearby. I'll go over and look at it. It's a 45-acre lake. And I hope I can convince Eric to kayak this lake so we won't have to come back. It looks like handicap accessible, and they also have bathrooms here, which is a good sign. And a boat launch. There's geese around. I only can get so close to the geese before they come after me. Is that a drone? Or flies? You hear it? Well, we decided just to get drone footage. We've already done one lake today, and it is getting hot. This looks like a fun lake though, and here there's fishing, as you can tell from that fishing dock. I mean, there's a little place to come and try your luck. We're getting ready to get some drone footage here. I wanted to go over and get a close-up on that crane, but I don't think these geese are gonna let me. Buffalo Bill Lake is available for fishing. As you could see, it had handicap access. It is a 45-acre lake. Only electric motors are allowed, or canoers or kayakers. This lake is part of the Pony Express Conservation Area. After reviewing the angler's report, the bluegill is 7 to 9 inches. You can take them. Bass tend to be less than 15 inches, and crappie are there but hard to find. Here's a quick flyover, a flock of geese. If you missed that, here it is again. Also, when we were out there, we saw this crane. Beautiful footage of the crane flying off. When you arrive here, you can review all the regulations regarding fishing as well as for hunting. Obviously, you see here there is no swimming. Here's a map showing Buffalo Bill Lake. It's got a couple finger coves right above Pony Express Lake within the Pony Express Conservation Area. Here is one last look at the lake. We also noticed that there was nobody on this lake too. You could have this lake to yourself early in the morning on a work day.